So in previous lecture we have studied AI is equal to Ri is equal to AV is equal to Ro dash is equal to Ro is equal to. This formulae we have studied in previous lecture. We have solved numericals also. Now another article, the numerical can be asked with approximate analysis. Approximate analysis means HRE and HOE both are 0. Or in the numerical, values of HRE and HOE are not given. Only two values are given, HIE and HFE. If only two values are given, HIE, HFE, or it is mentioned use approximate analysis, it means that you have to put HRE and HOE 0. So for approximate analysis, HR equal to HRE equal to HOE equal to 0. Approximate analysis is best suitable for common emitter configuration. Approximate analysis is best suitable for common emitter configuration. So I have mentioned HRE and HOE. So in next article we have to study multi-stage amplifier. We have studied numericals with one transistor. Now combination of two transistors, two or more than two, but in our syllabus we will study only two-stage amplifier. So multi-stage amplifier numerical is solved with approximate analysis. And what is meant by approximate analysis? You have to put HRE, HOE 0. So if HRE and HOE are 0, then the formulae are approximated as, I am writing it as approximate formula. HRE, HOE 0, HO 0 means AI is approximate to only minus H. If HO is 0. HR 0. So Ri will be simply HR. AV is equal to AI RL upon Ri. AI is minus HF. And Ri is equal to H. Ro dash, HR and HO 0, that means Ro dash will be always infinity. And infinity parallel with RL. So formulas are now bit easy to understand. HRE, HO is 0, then AI will be minus HF, Ri will be HR, AV will be Ro dash infinity. So now we will study multi-stage amplifier using approximate analysis. Multi-stage amplifier, combination of two or more than two transistors. We will study numerical with two transistors only. Right? So how to solve, how to analyze multi-stage amplifier? Multi-stage amplifier is also known as cascade amplifier. Multi-stage amplifier is also known as cascade amplifier. So how to solve the numerical for multi-stage amplifier? I am giving you the steps. Formula. First we have to solve second stage. There will be two transistors. So first transistor circuit is known as first stage. Second transistor circuit is known as second stage. Second stage, first stage, and then final answers. I am writing the formula. You have to follow same sequence while solving the numerical. Number one, AI2. AI. Since it is second stage, I am writing AI2 equal to minus HE. We will study combination of two common emitter stages. So I am writing here HE. Right? Common emitter, combination of first stage is also common emitter, second stage is also common emitter. Second, RI2 HI. Then third, AV2 AI2 RL2 upon RL. AI RL upon RL. I am adding. Now, fourth, RO. So this will be decided afterwards. On fourth, we have to come to first stage. AI1, fourth number. AI1 again, same formula, minus HE. RI1, HIE. AV1, RO1, RO infinite. Right? Then 8th number, RO2, relative also. These are the answers. First stage, second stage, individual. And final answers. Number 9, total AV. AV1 into AV2. Total RI equal to RI1. RO equal to RL2. At 12, AI AV into RI upon RL2. AI is not AI1 into AI2. Mind way, AI is never equal to AV is AV1 into AV2, but AI is not AI1 into AI2. So AI is AV into RI upon RL. So figure will be given to you. All values of H parameters, that means HI and HF, only two values. Since it is approximate analysis, HR, HO will be 0. So HI, HF are given. Formula number 1 to 12. Apply and solve. Very simple numerical, right? So these are the formulae approximated. Same formulae, AI2, AI1, RI2, RI1, AV2, AV1, RO1, RO2, infinity, and then total answers. So figure will be given to you and you will be asked to calculate AV, RI, RO, AI. But for that, you have to solve 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then. Is that clear? So we will take a numerical now. So one thing I forgot to mention, RL1, you see formula number 6, AV1, AI1, RL1 upon RI1, where RL1 will be RC1 parallel with RI1, right? And AV2 is AI2, RL2 upon RL2, RL2 will be RC2. So numerical will be both the stages, first stage, second stage common emitter. We have just studied 12 formulae. In those formulae, please note it down. RL1 is equal to RC1 parallel with RI2 and RL2 is equal to RC1, right? So now, for the figure shown, we have to calculate AI, RI, AV, RO if HI 1.1K, HF 50. This is the figure given. So first of all, you have to draw the AC current and then formula number 1 to 12. Right? So I am drawing the AC current, I will explain it. Now for this figure, we have to draw the AC current, we have to calculate this. So I am drawing the AC current. Capacitors shorted and VCC grounded. This capacitor is shorted. Now 4K, this is collector of first, this is collector of second. 4K is connected between collector 1 and VCC. We have to connect VCC to ground. So it will appear between collector 1 and ground. It is connected between collector 1, one terminal of 4K is at C1, other terminal is at VCC. VCC we have to ground. So C1 and ground. So this is C1 and this is ground. So it will appear here. 4K RC1 collector resistors. Then this capacitor is shorted. We will directly go to base of second transistor. Now in second transistor, 4K is connected between C2 and VCC, second collector and VCC. So VCC we have to ground, so it will appear between C2 and ground. This is C2 and this is ground. RC2 4K. And now again this capacitor is shorted. So this is AC current of the given figure, right? And then solve the numerical formula number 1 to 12. Number 1, AI2 is equal to minus HFE is equal to minus 50. HFE is given. RI2 is equal to HIE equal to 1.2. AV2 AI2 into RL2 upon RL2. AI2 is minus 50. RL2, I have told you RL2 is equal to RC2 into 4 upon 1.1. Calculate the answer. Fourth, AI1 minus HFE minus 50. Fifth, RI1 HIE 1.1. Sixth, AV1 AI1 RL1 upon RI1. Where RL1 is equal to RC1 parallel with RI2. RC1 is 4K parallel with RI2 is 1.1K. So it will be approximately 0.85K. Put it here. AI1 is minus 50 into RL1 0.85 upon RI1 1.2. Right? Then 7 RO1 equal to infinity. 8 RO2 equal to. So first and second stage is solved. Now final answers. Nine number. AV is equal to AV1 into AV2. This is AV2, this is AV1, put the values here. 10. RI is equal to RI1 is equal to RI1 is 1.1. RO is equal to RL2 equal to RC2 and 12 mod AI is equal to AV into RI upon RL. AV from here, RI this one and RL2 this one. Put the values numerically solved. Is that clear? Very simple. What you have to do? Draw the AC current first and then formula number 1 to 12 with HRE, HO is 0. Only HI and HE. So very simple numerical which may be asked for 6 marks, right? So this much is the portion of unit 1. One article is remaining. I will explain it in either afterwards or in next lecture. Okay. So observe the video carefully. Listen everything what I have explained. While observing, you note it down in your notebook. Try to solve the numerical using calculator. Tally the answers and practice on it. Okay.